All right, here are some volume problems that we're going to work out now with fractions. And remember that the formula for volume is length times width times height. So we're going to multiply all three of our numbers together. So as you recall, we cannot multiply mixed numbers together, so we have to change these to improper fractions. So 2 times 7 gives me 14, plus 2 more gives me 16, so this is 16 sevenths. 3 times 4 gives me 12, plus 3 more is 15, 15 fourths. And then my last one, 1 times 3 is 3, plus 2 gives me 5 thirds. Looking for places that I can cross simplify. I see here that I have a 3 and here that I have a 15, so both of those divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 gives me 1 here, and 15 divided by 3 gives me 5 here. And I see that both of these numbers will divide by 4. Remember, we can divide by into any numerator-denominator pairing. So this is divide by 4 is 1, and this is divide by 4 is 4. So let's rewrite this a little bit so that we see what we have. We have 4 over 7 times 5 over 1 times 5 over 1. All right, now we're ready to multiply. So 5 times 5 is 25, and then 25 times 4 is 100 over 7, because 7 times 1 times 1 is 7. We need to simplify this improper fraction by dividing 100 by 7. 7 can't go into 0, but 7 goes into 10 one time. Multiply and subtract. Bring down my 3. Bring down a 0. 7 divides into 30 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. Subtract and I have 2. And so here's my whole number, here's my numerator, here's my denominator. So my answer to this is the area is 14 and 2/7 cubic centimeters. Right. Then the next one, we've got 3 1/8, so we multiply 3 times 8 plus 1, that's 25 over 8. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 2 gives me 32 over 6. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 2 is 12 over 5. I see here that both of these divide by 6, so divide by 6, divide by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1, 12 divided by 6 is 2. Both of these divide by 8, so we'll divide both of those by 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1, 32 divided by 8 is 4, and both of these will divide by 5. So divide by 5, divide by 5, 5 divided by 5 is 1, 25 divided by 5 is 5. So let's figure out what we're left with here. We're left with 5 over 1 times 4 over 1 times 2 over 1. 5 times 4 is 20, 20 times 2 is 40, 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, so this is 40 cubic centimeters. So volume is length times width times height, and you can see we're getting familiar with and learning how to do this cross simplifying makes our problems a lot easier.